that
Yeah.
people use all the time. I was just talking to a salesperson this morning. Maybe, I think,
Yeah.
probably, things of that nature, they just don't seem, very straightforward, like you're confident in what you're doing.
Correct. And the term that we want to use, Raf, is reflexively. We say things like maybe and I think and I'm not sure. We say it reflexively, which means without thought. But what you have to understand is when you communicate that way, as Raf just explained, it reeks of lack of confidence. And I'm not saying you guys aren't confident. I'm not saying you're not super skillful. I'm not saying you're not great at your job. But when you just, I think that when you just maybe use words like that, you just maybe seem like you don't know what you're doing and you're really desperate that they do business with you, maybe, hopefully, right? It just brings the whole tone down. Great addition to that, Raf. I love it.